Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to create a stunning spot colour effect in Adobe Photoshop. This technique allows you to keep one part of your image in colour while the rest stays in black and white. Let's dive in. With Photoshop open, load the image you want to work with. You can do this by going to File, Open and selecting your image, or by dragging the image over the Photoshop icon like so. Now with the image open, duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl-J or Command-J on a Mac. Alternatively, you can right-click on the image and select Duplicate Layer. This ensures we have a copy to work on while preserving the original file. Next, we need to remove the colour from the image. Go down to the bottom of the Layers panel and select the Layer Adjustment, then select Black and White. Your image should appear grayscale and an adjustment layer with a mask has appeared in the Layers panel. You can adjust the black and white levels in the Properties panel, making it darker or lighter. For now, we'll leave it at the default settings. Click on the mask of the black and white adjustment layer to make sure the work you do next is applied to the correct layer. Next, select your brush tool or press B on the keyboard. To make the effect blend well with the image, adjust the brush hardness and opacity. For me, I like the hardness at 0% and the opacity at 100%, but play around with these settings and see what works best for your image. Set your foreground colour to black and start painting over the areas where you'd like to keep the colour. Zooming into the image will help you get all the details and edges perfectly. If you make a mistake like so, switch the colour to white and paint over where you'd like to restore the black and white effect. I'll fast forward here to the end result. Once you're happy with the result, go to File, Save As Copy and choose a format like JPEG or PNG. And that's it! If you want to keep the file as editable layers to change later, remember to save as a PSD as well. And there you have it! A quick and easy way to create a stunning spot colour effect in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. See you next time!